Download Mandalion Chinese. Use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.
There are 7 compound finals that begin with the vowel u or u. Previously, we learned 4 of them: wa, wo, wei, and wen. Now, let's take a look at 3 more compound finals beginning with u. They are y, wan, and wang. The first compound final, y, is made of a combination of the simple u final and the compound final, I. When said quickly as one whole syllable, it should sound similar to the English word why. Why. Next, one. This final is made of a combination of the simple u final and the nasal final, an. When pronounced quickly, it should sound like the number 1, or the 1 in the word wonder. One. The last compound final is wang. Like the previous 2, this compound final is simply a combination of the simple u final and the nasal final ang. Wang. Let's take a look at some examples of these compound finals. This character is pronounced as kuai, and it means fast. Its pinyin, kuai, consists of the initial ke and the compound final y. Ke, y, kuai. It should be read in the 4th tone. Kuai. This is the character for the word boat, 船. Its pinyin is spelled chi, wan, chuan, and it should be pronounced using the 2nd tone, 船. And lastly, this is the character for the color yellow. It is pronounced as huang. He, wang, huang. It is pronounced in the 2nd tone, huang.
Download Mandalion Chinese. Use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.